Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm back with a special custom drawing for David McCandless. This is commission number 3 for David, and today he made me bring back my badass original Sane Banases. And not only that, David wanted me to fuse Banases with his original Sane as Super Saiyan 3 on an A3 size paper. I love Super Saiyan 3 and today I will draw 3 of them. If you don't know Banases, make sure to check out this playlist of him. I created him a few years ago and gave him all the forms they are, and for the drawing today, David wanted me to draw Banases and his OC on both sides and the fusion in the middle. Similar to the fusion drawings I already did, as you can see right here. And for Banases and his OC, he wanted them to blast huge attacks, and as for the fusion, I wanted to create an epic design, which you will now see in the video. So let's check out the evolution of this drawing together, and I will talk to you again when the drawing is done. Like the video, subscribe, and let's go. So guys, last touch and then we finish another epic custom drawing, and I think this one looks amazing. I pretty much drew this entire drawing completely from the mind, and therefore I'm kinda proud of it. As you can see, I drew Banases from a cool side pose, with blasting his dark energy attack kinda arrogantly, which looks amazing. The OC of David I also drew kinda arrogantly blasting his attack, and the fusion in the middle looks great in my opinion. The design is awesome, and as you can see, I gave him sword-like weapons on both arms, which are attached to his forearms. It's a very cool drawing, and David is also very happy with his custom drawing. I really appreciate the order, and if you guys are also interested in something like this, message me on Instagram. Also let me know down below in the comments what you think of this drawing, and like the video to show me your support. I will upload the full version uncut on my real-time channel soon, so take a look at there as well. For original drawings, check out my online shop, and I think that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you on the next